Hey guys, welcome to our channel Civil Engineering Guru. Hope you like our previous video. The link of previous video is in the description. Today our topic is soil mechanics, that is branch of geotechnical engineering and sub-branch of civil engineering. So move towards the definition. The definition of soil mechanics is the science of equilibrium and motion of soil bodies. Now we moves toward the next topic, that is disciplines of soil mechanics. Here soil is understood to be the weathered material in the upper layers of the Earth's crust. The non-weathered material in this crust is denoted as rock, and its mechanics is the discipline of rock mechanics. In general, the difference between soil and rock is roughly that in soils it is possible to dig a trench with simple tools, such as a spade or even by hand. In rock this is impossible, it must first be splintered with heavy equipment such as a chisel, a hammer or a mechanical drilling device. The natural weathering process of rock is that under the long-term influence of sun, rain and wind, it degenerates into stones. This process is stimulated by fracturing of rock bodies by freezing and thawing of the water in small crevices in the rock. The core stones that are created in mountainous areas are transported downstream by gravity, often together with water in rivers. By internal friction the stones are gradually reduced in size so that the material becomes gradually finer. Gravel, sand and eventually silt. In flowing rivers the material may be deposited, the coarsest material at high velocities, but the finer material only at very small velocities. This means that gravel will be found in the upper reaches of a riverbed and finer material such as sand and silt in the lower reaches. Move toward the next topic, that is history of soil mechanics. Soil mechanics has been developed in the beginning of the 20th century. The need for the analysis of the behavior of soils arose in many countries, often as a result of spectacular accidents, such as landslides and failures of foundations. Many of the basic principles of soil mechanics were well known at that time, but their combination to an engineering discipline had not yet been completed. The first important contributions to soil mechanics are due to Coulomb, who published an important treatise on the failure of soils in 1776, and to Rankine, who published an article on the possible states of stress in soils in 1857. In 1856 Darcy published his famous work on the permeability of soils for the water supply of the city of Dijon. The principles of the mechanics of continua, including statics and strength of materials, were also well known in the 19th century due to the work of Newton, Cauchy, Navier and Boussinesq. The next topic is geotechnics. Soil mechanics and foundation engineering together are often denoted as geotechnics. Now we move towards the classification of soil particles and soil mechanics. Soils are usually classified into various types. In many cases these various types also have different mechanical properties. A simple subdivision of soils is on the basis of the grain size of the particles that constitute the soil. Coarse granular material is often denoted as gravel and finer material as sand. In order to have a uniformly applicable terminology, it has been agreed internationally to consider particles larger than 2 mm, but smaller than 63 mm, as gravel. Larger particles are denoted as stones. Sand is the material consisting of particles smaller than 2 mm, but larger than 0.063 mm. Particles smaller than 0.063 mm and larger than 0.002 mm are denoted as silt. Soil consisting of even smaller particles, smaller than 0.002 mm, is denoted as clay. Hope you like our video. Like, comment and share our video and subscribe our channel Civil Engineering Guru. Stay tuned with us. Bye.